Hey everyone! So, today I'm diving into a topic that's super close to my heart: how technology is our ally in the fight to save our planet. Trust me, this is not just another lecture about turning off your lights, it's way cooler. So let's get into it. Imagine a world where your morning cup of coffee powers your house. Sounds crazy, right? But that's the kind of future we're heading towards with today's technology. Let's start with something we all know and love: solar panels. These aren't just any panels though. The latest ones are ultra-thin, flexible, and can be installed anywhere, even on your backpack. So, yes, you could be charging your phone right now just by sitting in the sun. Now let's talk about wind power, but forget those huge wind farms you're picturing. I'm talking about portable wind turbines. These little gadgets can be set up on a rooftop or a balcony and can power everything from your laptop to your entire home, depending on their size. Moving on, we've got something a bit futuristic: algae technology. This isn't sci-fi, I promise. Algae can absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, and now tech companies are turning them into energy sources. Can you believe we're powering things with pond scum? Incredible, right? But it's not all about big gadgets and innovations. Technology also helps us make smarter choices every day. Apps that track your carbon footprint in real time encourage you to make greener choices, like biking instead of driving. Even better, they sometimes offer rewards for eco-friendly actions. It's like getting a high score in a video game, but the planet wins too. And speaking of games, let's not forget about virtual meetings and digital workspaces. Since the world went digital, the decrease in travel has significantly reduced carbon footprints globally. Who knew that skipping the commute could help save the planet? Before I wrap up, let's touch on recycling, but with a tech twist. There are machines now that can sort recycling more accurately than humans, ensuring that less waste ends up in landfills and more gets reused. It's a game changer for managing waste efficiently. So there you have it. Technology isn't just about the latest phone or the fastest car. It's about smart solutions that help us live sustainably and protect this beautiful planet we call home. Remember, every little bit of effort counts when it comes to climate action. So let's use what we've got, our incredible tech, to make a difference. Thanks for tuning in, and hey, let's make a pact to try out one of these tech solutions this week. Deal? Catch you in the next one.